some random dates from this paper, and you will share your insights, your ideas, knowledge about what lipids is based on your personal knowledge or personal understanding and perspective of lipids. Start. Oriente. Based on your understanding, what do you think is a lipid?
They are essential needs for body's function.
Again, they are essential for
Body's function, serving of a source of energy.
what specific body function? In what way they are essential for body functioning? Lipids and able to what?
Fats, heat.
Yeah, fats. Fats or lipids are the same, so fats or lipids are able to. What does a lipid provide in order to function? Our system. The lipid is okay, everyone. Okay, list the main source of energy. So just like carbohydrates, lipid is also a source of energy. The main source for the production of ATP in order for the cellular respiration to take place. Okay? So it seems like a fuel of our different body activities. So without lipid as well, then we cannot perform several tasks. For our vital organs, our cells, or any vital parts in our body cannot perform well with their responsibilities. Okay, another one. Lipid or characteristic of lipid includes what? Carbon. Okay, lipid able to regulate hormones. Do you have any idea in what way it can regulate hormones? How can you say that it regulates hormones? Maybe because you have just a little insight how it regulates hormones. What do you mean by regulate? Regulation. Balance, to control. So how do you think lipids are supposed to balance or to control hormones? You have an idea? Okay, so later on I am going to explain this one and further elaborate how is it that hormone plays a key role in lipids, the metabolism of lipids. Okay, another one, what would be the important characteristic that defines a lipid? Gaga.
Protection and installation mess.
Okay, this for protection. The other one is insulation. Somehow the three, or the third and the fourth listed here on the board is not really purely about the characteristic of lipid, but more on its function or importance, which is for protection and for insulation. So I wonder ka, how do you think lipids or fats able to protect us? It's just a fat. How do you think lipids able to insulate our body heat? How is it able to protect against hypothermia? So again, later I am going to elaborate this one further. Okay, last one. I need one good characteristic of lipids or a character of lipids that defines everything about this. Radius. Is radius around? Yolk or the white? Okay, it's the egg yolk. So those mentioned or would mention by your classmates are good examples or good source of fats and lipids. Well, it is good to take all of these as part of our balanced diet, but take note class, there are still from the word balance. moderation. Not all the time, pure liquids and fats atong kanon. Na dapat protein, there should be carbs, there should be vegetables, fruit, etc. Okay? So this afternoon, we are going to know better what lipid is. Now, once we talk about lipid, what comes into our mind is just fats, and fats. Puro siya fats ang nasa una-una. But lipid class is a very broad, general concept. Why? There are some succeeding concepts or sub-concepts under lipids, and here are the following. Fats and oils are considered as part of lipid. Yes, what are these fats and oils? Hindi siya yung class na tambo class sa meat na tumigakot because we ourselves also contain some natural fat. Okay, what's the colors of fat? Yeah, it's more on the yellowish. It also contains oil. That's why girls, no, mostly girls, we tend to have some setting powder because it's very humid in our country. Since it's very humid tendency, in order to avoid a dry skin, our body has a natural response in which, through the sebaceous gland, it releases natural oils. Muna pag magkita, bilang now, some parts of our body, like our armpit. Okay? That's why manimaho din ang armpit class. It's very dark, highly moisture, plus nag-release pa dun siya oil, which is from the sebaceous gland. Tendency, it will oxidize and it will form butyric acid and ammonia. And butyric acid and ammonia class have a foul odor. Bawal siya. That's why from time to time, you have to be hygienic. You have to maintain cleanliness. Okay, next, lipids or parts of lipids are considered as waxes. Now, for plants class, anong di man nababasa ang dahon sa plant? Na may mga new mga form, EEW, especially during mornings, or kanang likuan, anong di man good ma-soak like a wet paper ang dahon sa plant or sa tanom. It's mainly because there is wax component or waxy covering on the plant surface itself. It is hydrophobic, meaning it cannot go along with water. So, kabantay na mo ang dahon, ano di ba siya mabasag tubig? It's because it's made up of wax, just like a candle wax. Basta ninyo ng kanila, mabasa siya dito. Hindi siya ma-soak just like a wet paper. How about us? Do you think we are made up of wax? Or do you think we have waxy component also in our body? Yes. As a metal part. Okay, the main clue or the main function of wax is as protect